If you have also been doing this in order to earn these hamster coins, then stop, because this is not going to give you any airdrop. Well, in this video, we will explore Hamster Kombat in detail. We will explore the expected listing date, the future plans of Hamster Kombat, and also a step-by-step walkthrough of Hamster Kombat application for the beginners. Let's get into the video without wasting any of your time. As for the listing date, it will probably be in July as per the recent AMA by Hamster Kombat team. And they are planning to reach 1 billion people on Hamster Kombat. Can you even imagine the amount of people they are trying to target? But only the future will tell us how many people they will be able to connect with. And as for the present prospects, they have a huge community and it is growing rapidly. Take a look on this particular community post on Hamster Kombat's YouTube channel, and they have recently revealed that your coins will not give you any airdrop. And it clearly says not the coin balance. So stop accumulating coins, just spend them. And profit per hour will be one of the key factors in ascertaining the airdrop value, and some other activities or parameters will also be there. So instead of accumulating all these millions of coins, spend them, get your profit per hour increased to maximum level, and also participate in different activities that Hamster Kombat give to you, like the Morse code activity that we do on daily basis, the card combo as well, and you can check them out on our channel itself. We upload the videos related to them. You can earn 6 million coins by just doing these two tasks on daily basis. And to be honest, there is no point of tapping like this. You won't be earning much amount of coins by just tapping this way. You would be getting just a drop in the ocean. If you want to earn big, then increase your profit per hour and participate in the daily bonuses. So this way you would be getting ahead of most of the people out there. I started just 2 days back on this account, and I already have great amount of profit per hour as compared to some of the people who have been accumulating just the points and not spending them. If the airdrop was today, I would be getting more airdrop even starting later than them. So that's why it is important for you to spend the coins that you are earning. And moreover, these coins are just the representation of these coins in the game. This is not the actual hamster coins. Maybe 1 million coins of this hamster game might represent one hamster coin in the real world when token is listed. So all the people out there predicting the price of Hamster Kombat on the basis of these generations, then they are just fooling you around and they are doing useless predictions of price for Hamster Kombat. So don't believe them. Also, there are so many scams out there. Even when you see any Twitter post by Hamster Kombat or any other social post by Hamster Kombat, you will be able to see a great amount of scamsters lining up in the comment section for you to just click on the links. Don't click on any of the link which is provided in the comments by anyone, even on Hamster Kombat's official accounts. It is very necessary for you to avoid these scams. Instead of getting the airdrop, you will end up losing your own funds that you have in your wallet. So avoid them. Now there's one more thing that needs to be told before we move to the beginner friendly walkthrough of Hamster Kombat application. And the thing is that Hamster Kombat will be bringing some new updates in future. There will be some NFTs as well. There might be, as per the recent AMA. There are no NFTs as of now on Hamster Kombat, but there might be in future. Like when we click on this option of mine and click on the specials, there are some cards that might be converted into NFTs in future, and you can just simply earn them by tapping on them and spending your coins on them. So this might be one of the features in future. You never know, and we can only guess. But this was told by the official of Hamster Kombat in one of the AMA that there will be future NFTs, but there are no NFTs as of now. She was basically trying to warn people of the potential scams out there for the NFTs of Hamster Kombat. If anyone is offering you that, just avoid them. Now for the beginners of you, let's start the Hamster Kombat walkthrough and how you can participate in it. For this, I will be providing a link in the description. Obviously, it is not a scam link, so you can click on it. It will give you a bonus coins when you join it up. It will also give me bonus coins because it is my referral link. So when you click on that particular link, you will be getting some coins as soon as you join it. So this is the screen that you will be getting on your Telegram when you join up. Just simply type /start in order to start. You can also click on start in order to start. Quite easy. And after that, you can just simply click on this option of play in one click, and it will open up the game for you. Just wait for it, as it might take a little while sometimes, and there might be some errors as well. So you can just simply restart the whole application in order to make it work. And for the initials of you won't be getting this profit that is shown on the screen right now, but after a while you will surely get it. So this is the screen that you will be receiving. When you tap on this hamster, you will be getting some points. You can increase these points per tap by using your coin balance. For this, just simply click on this option of boost. And here you get the option of multi-tap. When you click on this option, you can just simply boost it up and you can multi-tap it and you can earn the coins. Also, the value per coin will be increased when you upgrade this particular option. When you go on the energy limit, this will increase your energy limit by 500. So when we go on the main screen, you can see that there is 8,000 of total energy that I can accumulate. My energy levels will not go higher than this. If I want to make them go higher, then I need to open up the boost and boost my energy limit in order to increase it by 500. So this is how it will all work. You just have to spend this energy levels in order to get the coins. You will get the coins. Now you can utilize these coins in order to mine different aspects in this particular game that we will explore in a while. So when we click on boost, there is one more functionality over here, which is the free daily boosters. Here you get full energy. You get 6 boosters in a day. You can just simply click on it and get your energy levels full to the max level 6 times in a day using this particular feature. Now let's get back. On the top, you can see earn per tap. Here you can check out the amount of coins that you will earn with just one single tap. You can boost it up by clicking on the boost and then multi-tap it. So multi-tap it basically 2 taps or 3 taps. You can increase it by just simply boosting it up. And there is a Morse code task which is given on daily basis. You can follow our channel itself for it. And in order to get that code, you have to click 3 times on earn per tap. Let me click and show you. So when we click on 3 times, it will turn red. And here, according to the Morse code, you can simply type different letters and form a word. This word will give you 1 million coins on day-to-day basis. So we have already deciphered the word for today and got the 1 million coins for it. Morse code is basically the tap and hold and release. It will give you different kind of words. You can check out the videos on our channel for different codes. You will understand it quite easily. Now let's get back. On the top, you can see the balance for the coins in order to level up. Now, if I want to level up to level 8, currently I'm level 7. You can see it right over here. And if I want to go to level 8, I need 50 million coins in order to increase my level. So it's up to me if I want to increase my level or I want to increase the profit per hour. Because if I want to increase the profit per hour, I need to spend the coins that I have. If I want to accumulate, then I won't be able to increase my profit per hour. So it's all up to you how you make these strategies in order to do all these tasks. Since we have already seen that profit per hour will be the deciding point for the airdrop, so accumulating more points is of no use, but it might be in long run because we don't know the airdrop date yet. If we accumulate more points, we can reach the higher levels and then we can spend the coins wisely on increasing our profit per hour. Also, we don't know whether they will be accumulating the profit per hour of all the days or they will be taking just the snapshot in order to check out the highest profit per hour for any particular person. So in case they are taking the snapshot for the profit per hour, just one time snapshot, then we can increase the profit per hour right before the airdrop day. So this is quite easy for us to do that if we accumulate good amount of points. Now on the top, you can select any particular exchange for you and also the language by clicking on it. Here is the setting for you to choose any particular exchange. There are various exchanges available to you. You can select any of the exchange of your choice. And this was all about the first page. Now let's move on to the second page, which is mine. Here you get the daily combo. And we need to find different cards in different categories. There are 4 different categories like the markets, PR and team, legal and specials. There are different cards in them. You need to unlock these cards in order to find the daily combo. And when we upgrade any particular card and if it is in the daily combo, it will be shown as on the top, and we get 5 million coins for it. We have separate videos uploaded for each single day on our channel itself. You can check them out in order to understand how it all works. So we have already deciphered today's code and got the 5 million coins. So this way we got 6 million coins for today. And here under these categories, you can explore different cards. You can upgrade these cards in order to increase your profit per hour. And this will be the deciding factor of airdrop. Now, for upgradations, you just have to click on any particular card, then click on this option of go ahead, and it will be upgraded, and profit per hour on that particular card will also be improved. So this is how easy it is. When we click on specials, there are some special cards attached over here. You can upgrade them as well. In the similar way, you will increase the profit per hour of your account. Now on the friends section, you can invite your friends, family, or different people, and you would be getting bonus for it. If someone from Telegram Premium joins, you would be getting 25,000 coins. If someone from normal Telegram joins, you would be getting 5,000 points for it. So this way you can earn some extra coins for inviting people. Now on the earn tab, you will get different tasks. You also get the daily rewards over here. You can just simply click on it and accumulate these points quite easily. It is quite easy to get these points. Now let's explore the last section, which is airdrop. Here you need to connect your Ton wallet, and you can get it on the Telegram itself. You don't need any additional wallet out there like the Ton Keeper or any other. You can get them as well if you want to go with the additional wallets like the Ton Keeper, and just simply create an account with them and connect with your Hamster Kombat. If you want to go with the Telegram wallet, just simply go with the access within the Telegram. When you click on it, it will prompt you to connect your Hamster Kombat with Telegram wallet. It will be created quite easily. You will be given 24 words phrase. Make sure that you save it up, because you might not be able to recover your account in future in case if you lose it. So make sure that you save it up, write these words or the 24 word phrase in a piece of paper. That would be quite safe, and you would be able to connect your Ton wallet quite easily. We have a separate video for it as well on our channel. You can check that out in case if you want to see it in more detail. So this was all about the Hamster Kombat tutorial, walkthrough, and all other important news related to it. If you want to see all these videos related to Hamster Kombat to earn 6 million coins on daily basis, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and to get the notifications on time, turn all the notifications for this channel. And if you want to see more such videos related to crypto and how you can make more money in crypto, then this channel is going to help you out with all the fundamental aspects of different cryptos and different information related to different crypto platforms. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. See you in the next video.